A fold-down pot filler mounted over the range saves time and strain by letting you fill large pots without carrying water across a busy kitchen. Choose a location centered over the cooking zone and verify the wall cavity has room for a water line and shutoff valve running from a nearby supply line. And if you want immediate hot water at the filler, plan a hot water branch run with appropriate mixing or an insulated short loop to reduce heat loss. Select a pot filler rated for commercial use with a high-quality brass body and ceramic disc valves to reduce leaks and ensure smooth operation. And confirm the reach and swing of the articulated arm will clear backsplash features and hood overhangs when extended and folded. For mounting, use blocking behind the backsplash or a heavy-duty wall plate anchored to studs or a backing board to handle dynamic load when the arm is extended, and fasten with corrosion-resistant hardware. If mounting to tile, set and grout around the mounting flange after plumbing rough-in. Install a dedicated full-port shutoff valve accessible from behind the range or in the same cabinet and label it, and include a removable flex connector with a brass union to simplify future service or replacement without cutting soldered joints. Protect the installation with a low-profile vacuum breaker or backflow preventer if local code requires it, and test at full pressure while checking for movement at the mounting points, and insulate any hot water branch to reduce heat loss and scald risk while keeping the assembly tidy. Coordinate the finish and clearance with the backsplash material so grouting, seams and caulk joints are watertight, and use a technician experienced with gas or electric range clearances to confirm the filler location maintains required safety distances. Common mistakes include mounting to thin tile without backing, which causes wobble and leaks, so add blocking or a backing plate and re-secure the fasteners. Another problem is running only cold water, which means slow fill times for cooking large pots, so add a hot water branch or plan for near instantaneous hot supply with an insulated short run. People also forget an accessible shutoff and union, which complicates repairs, so install a clearly labeled shutoff and a service union or flexible connector to make future maintenance simple. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who post projects and availability that match large family kitchen needs, and our discussion community connects users and pros for practical advice and real-world feedback. We use our platform to help contractors find work and homeowners compare ideas, share photos, and ask questions in a space focused on project planning.